at sa parting Visayas at Mindanao. Ayan. Pili is the signature nuts indigenous to the Bicol region of the Philippines. The pili nut is the fruit-bearing tree that yields a kernel precious to the country's food sector. Approximately 90% of this country's pili's production comes from the Bicol region. The fruit of this resilient tree is 7% kernel, 25% shell, and 68% pulp. Pili is a tropical tree preparing depth, fertile, well-drained soil, warm temperature, and well-distributed rainfall. It cannot tolerate the slightest frost or low temperature. Ayan. So ayan guys, tapos ng ating pag-i-sketch. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood sa aking mga simplest sketches. Ayan. Maraming salamat guys. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!